We used the old O2 sensors. I locked everything up, tightened everything down, and went ahead and took it for a test drive. But the nice thing is, we got no more lights. So all the extra lights that were coming on, we had evap lights, we had gas cap, we had misfires, everything else. It just turns out that the entire passenger side cat, like the top cat, it's a little 2-cat system. The top cat was completely, the top cat was completely blown apart to the point where there's just like this little ball on the bottom that was rattling around, and the bottom section of the cat, after I took out the O2 sensor, was just packed full of all sorts of stuff. Just everything that came out of that top cat was just all buried in the bottom cat.